गुड मॉर्निंग आमर लास्ट दुटा पीरियड रु आम टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस पढ़ी आसुचे आज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस पढ़ेबा कथा किंतु ता पूर्वर मु केते गुडे कमेंट संपर्क रे सूचना दूची मोर सेकेंड क्लास रे मु कहितली मते किछि परामर्श देवाई कमेंट्स रे परामर्श देवाई राउरकेलारू जड़े बंधु जे कि जड़े अध्यापक अच्छा से गोटे परामर्श देले जे आपण केवल इंग्लीश रे कहते पिला मानकर टिके बुझापी बोधगम्य होनी ए तो इंग्लीश क्लास रे इंग्लीश टू इंग्लीश बुझाटा भल तथापि से बंधु को जो तांकर छात्र छात्री मैंने जो परामर्श देइछन्ती से जब मुझे चेष्टा करी आज क्लास रे ओडिया रे कहिबा पाई। द्वितीय कथा आउ जने बंधु जने छात्राभिभावक से परामर्श देले जो फाइनाइटिव सेंटेंस उपरे मुझे बुझौतली से फाइनाइटिव सेंटेंस उपरे मु 5-6टी वाक्यर उदाहरण देइथिली से अधिक उदाहरण देइथिले भल ही थांता बोली कहउचंती मु तेणु आज आउ टिके फाइनाइटिव वर्ब उपरे सूचना देवी कारण सेंटेंस जो टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस रे सिंपल को कंपाउंड को बा कॉम्प्लेक्स को सब किछि निर्भर करुचे फाइनाइटिव सेंटेंस उपरे सॉरी फाइनाइटिव वर्ब उपरे निर्भर करुचे तेणु फाइनाइटिव वर्ब टाको भल भाव चिन्हवा दरकार। आउ जने बंधु से परामर्श देइथिले भुवनेश्वर रु से गोटे परामर्श देले जे सी जो पढ़ुले से गोटे ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस थिला एबे मुझे जो आलोचना कली सिंपल सेंटेंस रो जो 4 प्रकार डिक्लारेटिव इंपरेटिव इंटरोगेटिव एक्सक्लामेटरी तापर कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स तांको भितर से ऑप्टेटिव शब्दटी मिलला नहीं तेणु से जानिबा को चाहूँगी ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस टी कुआडे गला मु तेणु सर्वप्रथमे ये समस्त प्रश्नर उत्तर मु देवी तापरे आजिर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस उपरे आलोचना करिबा। प्रथम कथा होची फाइनाइटिव वर्ब जागी पिला मानकर बुझिबा पई एकांत दरकार फाइनाइट वर्ब मु मोर विगत क्लास मानकर कहिछि द वर्ब व्हिच टेल्स द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस that is tense the verb or finite verb. Let me give you some examples. We didn't understand the coronavirus. They have decided to complete the task. Why are you crying? He won't follow the rules. I have been teaching since 1981. The players played well. These are some examples. I have to find out the verb. You see, this is the verb. 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 In this sentence, first sentence, I have underlined two words. One is did and another is understand. The both are verb. But one is finite verb, another is non-finite verb. Which is finite verb? Now the verb which tells the tense of the sentence, this is past. How did you know it? From this. So this is finite verb. Secondly, they have decided. Here are two words, have and decided. So have is the finite verb because it says that it is present tense. This is non-finite, this is non-finite. Similarly, in the third sentence, why are you crying? This is the finite verb because it tells the tense of the sentence that is present. And this is non-finite verb. He won't follow the rules. Won't. That is, will not. In short form it is written, will not. So will is the finite verb and it says it is present. I have been teaching. There are three verbs. This is the first verb and this is finite verb. This is present and it is finite verb. The players played only one and this is past tense. So it is easy. Another point, if we find a group of verbs like did, here understand, have decided, are crying, will follow, have been teaching, no problem. The first verbal word is the finite verb. The first. It will be easy for the students to follow. Mone rakhiyaku bahut sahaj habo. Verbal group jodi ekadhik shabda bishishta heithibo, pratham shabdati finite verb ote. And this is all about finite verb. Se bondhunko paramarsh anusare, comment anusare ମୁଁ ଫାଇନାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବର ଅଧିକ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଲି, ଆଶା କରେ ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ହେବ। ଥାର୍ଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କଥା ମୁଁ ତ ଆଜି ବହୁତ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଛି। ସେ ଅଧ୍ୟାପକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଛାତ୍ରମାନଙ୍କ କଥା ଯେଉଁ କହିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଛି। ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ୟେସ୍, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଶବ୍ଦ ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ୱିଶ୍ ଅର୍ଥରେ। ଫର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ମେ ଗଡ୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ ୟୁ। You see, the question style is interrogative style. May first helping verb, that is auxiliary verb. But at the end there is no question mark. In place of question mark, we put exclamation mark. That means it is not exclamatory. The style of the sentence is interrogative. It is not interrogative. The sign is exclamation. It is not exclamatory. It is optative. ଏବଂ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଉପରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର ଯେଉଁ ସିଲାବସ୍ ଚାଲିଛି ସେ ସିଲାବସ୍ରେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭଟା ଉପରେ ଆଲୋଚନା ହେଉନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ଆ ଉପରେ ବିଶଦ ଭାବରେ ନିଜେ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିକି ସମୟକ୍ରମେ ମୁଁ ଆ ଉପରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଯିବା ଆଜିର ଟପିକ୍କୁ। କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍। ଆଜି ଯେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଲି ଫାଇନାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବର ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଟେ, କାରଣ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲେଖା ଫାଇନାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ ରଖିଥିଲି। ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଯିବା କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡଟାକୁ। କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆମେ କହିଥିଲେ ଏକାଧିକ ଫାଇନାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଥିବ। କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଉ ବା କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ହେଉ, ଉଭୟ ଦୁଇଟି ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ା ଯାଇଛି। ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ିକି ଗୋଟିଏ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କରାହେଇଛି, से सेंटेंस कंपाउंड होइछि बा कॉम्प्लेक्स होइछि तार निर्भर करुछि से कनेक्टर ऊपर मु कहितली पर्टिकुलर वर्ड कनेक्टर दैट इज नॉट अ ग्रामेटिकल वर्ड बट वी जॉइन कनेक्टर आमे जॉइन करंती एवं जोटा कंपाउंड सेंटेंस रे कनेक्टर थाए ताकू आमे कहउथले कोऑर्डिनेटर एवं जोटा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस पई कहले सेटा कहउछे सबऑर्डिनेटर जदिओ मु कोऑर्डिनेटर में सीमित कर देइथिली सीमित कोऑर्डिनेटर तार संख्या जोटे कि बट बिसाइड्स एंड नेवरथलेस देयरफॉर एट और अदरवाइज और एल्स सो नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो आइदर और नाइदर नॉर बोथ डॉट डॉट एंड एवं सहीटी कही केतोटी को छाड़ी दे सारा परे आउ जिते कनेक्टर रहिला समस्ते कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में उद्दिष्ट जथा डब्ल्यूएच ग्रुप भीतर बहुत अच्छी हु हुईच हुज व्हेयर एटसेट्रा बहुत तापरे सिंस भी आसुची टिल आसीबो आफ्टर आसीबो बिफोर आसीबो अनेक आसीबो चौगुड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस रो सबऑर्डिनेटर लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जांपल वी रीच्ड द स्टेशन आफ्टर द ट्रेन had left. Our teacher advises us that time is most valuable. Wait here till I return. I like the book which is helpful to us. If you heat iron, it expands. There are some examples having double finite verb. Reached is a finite verb. Here had is the finite verb. So this sentence is a sentence having two finite verbs. And we have to see that. Which are the two simple sentences? We reach the station one sentence. We reached the station one sentence. The train had left another sentence. These two sentences are connected by after. So after is the connector, after is the conjunction, but in this case we will say this is subordinator. कारण कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस रो कंजक्शन को सबऑर्डिनेटर कहा जाए. Our teacher advised us that time is most valuable. You see, this is a simple sentence. Another, it is also a simple sentence. Both these sentences are joined by that. So, that is the subordinator. Wait here. This is one sentence. I return another sentence. Till is the subordinator. I like the book is a sentence. Which is helpful for us? It is a sentence. If you heat iron gote, it expands gote. In the case, if is the connector and it is put at the beginning of the sentence, we may write the sentence like this. Iron expands if you heat it. That means these are all complex sentences. In the complex sentences, what happens? We have two clauses. A question, a new word ଆସିଗଲା clause. ଏଇଠି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି ଭଦ୍ରକରୁ ଜଣେ କଲେଜ ଛାତ୍ରୀ ସେ ମୋର ପୂର୍ବ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଦେଖି ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସାର୍ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ପଢ଼ାନ୍ତି କି କାରଣ ମୋର ଟିକେ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଉପରେ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପଢ଼େଇବି ସେ ଝିଅଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପଢ଼େଇବି ସେ ସମୟକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କାରଣ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ଏଇଠି ଆସିଲା ଏଠି 1 2 3 4 5 ଏ ପାଞ୍ଚଟି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସରେ ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାର କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ର ଆରମ୍ଭରେ ରହୁଛି ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟର ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦି ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ବିଗିନର ରହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଏବଲ୍ till I return which is helpful to us if you hit it or if you hit iron. So the subordinators, the clauses with the subordinator are called as subordinate clause and the next one is main clause. And the subordinate clause is dependent, is 100% dependent on main clause. We reach the station after the train had left. This statement fully depends on we reach the station. So, main clause is independent clause and subordinate clause is dependent clause. So, I can say we reach the station, this is main clause. Our teacher advised us, this is main clause. Wait here, this is main clause. I like the book, this is main clause. It expands, this is main clause. And the after the train had left, that is subordinate clause. That the time is most valuable, that is subordinate clause. Till I return, subordinate clause. Which is helpful to us, subordinate clause. If you hit iron, subordinate clause. এই যে সবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ আসিলা মেন ক্লজ আসিলা কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সরে মেন ক্লজ আসিব কিন্তু সবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ আসিবনি বোথ আর ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট উই মে সে বোথ আর মেন but in complex sentence one clause is main clause another clause is subordinate clause. Now let's see types of subordinate clause. It is 3 types. One is noun clause, another is relative clause, and the third is adverb clause. If we have to define what is noun clause, what is relative clause, and what is adverb clause. Noun clause means the clause which acts as a noun. That is noun clause. The clause which acts as a noun. The clause which acts as a noun is a noun clause. ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଠିକ୍ ସେମିତି କାହିଁକି ହଁ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ତାର ଅନ୍ୟ ନାଁଟି ହେଉଛି ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ କ୍ଲଜ୍. So we can say the clause which acts as an adjective is the adjective clause. Similarly, we can say the clause which acts as an adverb is an adverb clause. This is all about complex sentence. And এই ভিডিওটি যদি ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ପ୍ରଥମେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବେ ନାହିଁ. ଦି କମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ. ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର କମେଣ୍ଟ ମୋତେ ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବ. ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଲାଇକ୍, ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏଡ୍, ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍, କମେଣ୍ଟ, ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍. କାହିଁକି ନା ହୁଏତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯେମିତି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି ହୁଏତ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଛାତ୍ରକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲେ ସେ ହୁଏତ ବେନିଫିଟେଡ୍ ହେବ. ତେଣୁ ଆଇ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଟୁ ଲାଇକ୍, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.